Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm you have the account email or username, the correct password, and your 2FA method nearby. If possible, use a device you trust and a stable network. This reduces interruptions. Once ready, open the official app or type the known web address and go straight to the sign-in screen. Make sure the page shows a padlock for HTTPS. Now you're positioned to enter credentials without delay, minimizing mistakes and exposure. You now enter your email or username, slow down and scan for typos or unwanted auto-fill entries. Next, type your password deliberately. If uncertain, tap the reveal icon briefly to confirm characters and check that caps lock is off. If you use a password manager, confirm it fills the correct entry. Once the password is accepted, follow the 2FA prompt. Open your Authenticator app, approve the push, or plug and touch your security key to verify. You finish by tapping Sign In and watching for a confirmation or redirected dashboard. Don't click repeatedly, give the server a moment. Once inside, review session settings and enable Remember only on personal devices. Sign out after use on public machines. If you encounter an error, try a soft fix. Clear the browser cache, switch networks, or use an incognito window. Key troubleshooting tip. If login fails repeatedly, initiate the password reset flow immediately and verify your recovery email or phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.